Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to share with you, and Calico 2, is going to share with you too, how to resolve your IBS, Crohn's, and colitis. We're going to give you our number one biggest tip, and that is to track what you get emotional about. What do you get emotional about? What makes your emotional Richter scale bob up and down? One of those things is causing your gut special program to stay active. You are experiencing something in your life as hard to digest, hard to accept, hard to absorb. And your body's trying to help you out by developing extra gut cells to help you digest and absorb this hard to digest thing in your life. It is controlled by the brainstem, the oldest part of the brain. It does not know the difference between something hard to digest in your life and something hard to digest in your gut. It does not know the difference. Right, Calico? She's heard me say this way too many times. She's over it. So, when in the healing phase, when we no longer it's this hard to digest thing in our life is no longer in our way, what's the body logically going to do? It's going to get rid of these extra gut cells. It's going to get rid of them. And when you get rid of physical, blood and flesh from your gut, what's going to happen? There's going to be blood and mucus in your stool. It's going to be painful. You might have cramps, things like that. What makes you emotional? Start tracking these things. Write it down. Write it down on your phones. What makes you emotional? It might make you conflict active again and start you developing extra gut cells. You need to come at peace with these things. I recommend you do it with Christianity. That's kind of the biggest piece of the puzzle for me that really helped me put these things that made me emotional, put them to rest so that I can live my life in peace. All of our organs have a very specific survival purpose. And when we experience a stressful situation that catches us off guard, our body's going to throw one of our organs into overdrive. And if these organs are in overdrive for too long, that's when we start to develop these conditions. We can keep these programs on by blaming food. That's another huge one. Stop blaming food. You can eat energy and nutrients. What's causing, it's your perception of these foods, viewing these foods as safe. As not safe. This is what's causing you to react to them. I did not start becoming super allergic to starches and gluten until I started the specific carbohydrate diet, until I started the GAPS diet. And I know most of you have a similar experience. All food is safe. What makes you emotional, and start working on resolving it. Ask God how to help you come to peace with this. Worrying about these things, and like general worry in your life is lack of faith in your Creator, that He's not taking care of you, and He doesn't like that. So have faith that Jesus will take care of you, that He'll meet all your needs. He wants you to come to Him with all your problems. He wants you to do that. Half of the problems in your life aren't even problems. You're just perceiving them as such. So literally change your perception. That is my biggest, what makes you emotional? What makes you emotional, and change your perception. And if you remember your conflict shock, what happened, a stressful situation that happened before your digestive issues started, if you can remember what that is. I don't remember what mine is. I've been having digestive issues my whole life. But if you can remember what that stressful situation that happened right before your digestive issues started, that can knowing what that is and coming to peace with that, and just understanding this process of cell loss and cell proliferation, and understanding that you're not broken and that it's this unresolved stress that's keeping this program active. And when you resolve this stress, you will probably suffer digestive issues because you're getting rid of these extra gut cells. But it's only going to last for a few weeks. You can get better. You just have to understand what is going on behind the scenes. So track what makes you emotional and come to peace with it. So So that's all I have for this video. Quick heads up on what's going on with Heal Your Gut Guy. We are selling the course now. It's ready to go. It's all, you know, it's in the best shape possible. We have everything in German new medicine, all the foods you need to eat to get better, all the foods you should avoid, but no strict meal plan. All sorts of awesome tools to help you get better. It is $1,000, but right now it is totally booked. We are totally booked. Me and my coaches are really busy helping people get better with the live Q&As and answering people's questions in the Facebook group. So we're totally booked. I'm sorry you cannot get in right now, but if you check the homepage of the website, maybe there will be an opening and maybe you can sneak in. And we had a book, but it's like totally out of print, and the printer is being really slow. I don't know when that's, and the shipment thing's all messed up. I don't know when that's going to be available again. So sorry, we're both of those products are sold out right now. But enjoy the YouTube channel. This free information, I've seen lots of people get results with this free information. So I'll talk to you guys later. Leave a comment, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you'd like me to make a video about in the next video. Bye-bye.